Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I've got a box opening today. I've got some yarn. I've got a little yarn haul and this yarn is from a website I haven't used before. It's called performanceyarn.com. They do yarns that are 100% wool, 100% cotton. They do cotton blends, they do wool blends, they do a linen blend. They do a lot of sock wool as well, which is great, not just for socks. A lot of the sock wool is amazing colour combinations of variegated yarn. Not colour change where it's in stripes, but where it's all mixed through. I'll put a link underneath the video to the website. It's €4 to get transported anywhere. The yarn comes from Bulgaria, believe it or not. It's great prices for 100% cotton, 100% wools, linens and mixed yarns. Amazing price. It does send to the UK, it sends to the USA as well. They also do bulk orders, so if you sell yarn and you're looking for somewhere to buy a big bulk of it, try here as well. They do bulk orders too if you are a seller. So I'll put the link to the website underneath the video. So we'll go through some of these yarns that I got. So I've got the box open. Now most of the yarns that I saw on this website are from about €2. That's about what? About 185. I don't know what the conversion is. Around £2, $2 and upwards. And that's great for 100% cottons. Now I'm going to pull this out. So these are their own brand, some of them, their own brand of performance yarn. Now I'll just push that box back. I got 4 balls of each. Now this one is Cotton Queen. These are Cotton Queen and it's a multi. Really pretty. We're coming out of sort of winter soon, going into spring. I really love those coffee colours. And I thought these would be great to make maybe a few sort of summer tops. Now this one, they're 50-gram balls. This one is 100%, I don't know what gassed and mercantilized. God, what does that mean? They've gassed it. It's 100% cotton. There we go, 100% cotton. Oh, I'm Muttley down off his. It's a 50-gram ball. That's 125 metres. It's from Bulgaria. This is beautiful. This colour is 10455 and it's a beautiful mix of coffees and creams. Look at that. So pretty. I've got 4 of these, so that's 200 grams of that one. This one is so pretty. Look at that. It's so fresh and it's soft. This one's number, so this one is 9096. That one, I'll bring this one out again. That way. Is 10455. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful colours. Beautiful. It's soft. It's really soft for cotton. Now this pink one, I got 4 of those as well. Those little pink ones. And this one's Cotton Queen. It says performance, 100% cotton. 100 is 50 grams, just the same as the rest of them. That's 125 metres. And the weight of it, I would say this is like a weight 2, a weight 3. That's like just a little bit thinner than a double knitting. It actually tells you to use a 3.5 crochet hook. Between a 2.5 and a 3.5, most cotton is kind of thinner anyway because it's nice and light. It's good for your skin. Now, the colour for this one is 10404. 10404. Look at those pretty colours. Beautiful colours. I'm going to put them back into the bag. And I'll pop that bag aside. The prices of these cotton queens, they're between 250 and 283. So that's not a lot. That's in euros. Now, I've got, what's this bit? That's just a part of the box. Now, the other ones I got were these ones. These were a little bit more expensive. This is a candy cane. So this one is a cotton blend. It's a little bit more expensive. There's more in it. Look how much is in. There's 200 grams in these. Beautiful. I can't remember quite how much these ones are. There's 200 grams in this as well. Look at this. Now it is done in skeins, this one. It's 50% cotton and 50% acrylic, and it is super soft. It tells you to use a 3 or a 3.5 crochet hook for it. Now this one is colour soil and the number is 104. 104. But look at these colours. They're absolutely beautiful. I love these. So I've got 2, 4, 6. I've got 800 grams of this. So I'm going to make myself something with this. It's so pretty. I'm wondering if I've got enough to make myself a granny square cardigan. I could use this, and my sister Sandra showed me how to do these big granny squares and then turn them into jumpers and cardigans. And this one is called the Performance Candy Cane. You'll find this one under their mixed cotton bracket. When you go onto their website, it'll show you that it's got 100% cotton, 100% wool, 100% linen. Then it'll tell you there's a cotton blend, a linen blend, and the other ones that it's got sock yarn as well. But there was one, I've got the website up here on my phone, and look at the prices of that. That is beautiful. This is under their sock wool. But they've got one, if I can find it, if I go back to their homepage. This is what their homepage looks like. So to get the cotton, the 100% cotton ones, you'll just click on that cotton. Now, this is a cotton blend. There was one that I saw. Where is it? Is it a wool blend? Try the linen. It is absolutely beautiful. They don't have too many of the linen blend. It must be the cotton blend. Look at these. €3. They do change it to whatever country that you're in. This one says hug me. There was one that I thought was beautiful, but it was out of stock. That says woolly cotton, and that's space. That one's called Space. Now you've got your candy cane ones there. There's other ones. Where is that one that I saw? Absolutely beautiful. Maybe it's in the cotton. I was in the cotton blend. Try the cotton itself. Look at all these. If you like cotton yarn, try this website. It is so cheap for its cotton. It didn't take long to get delivered. It came with, oh, there it is there. Look at this. Comfort Multi. Now, with this one, there is 11 different colours. I'll tell you how many different colours there are for that one. But look at this. Most of it is all out of stock. I just say it's a limited edition. What a shame I didn't get on earlier. That mint green one's absolutely beautiful. Right, the cotton, that's the one I got. I got the jacquard one. I'm sure jacquard is just another word for variegated. Look at this. There's 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 different colours. 19 different colours in this. And some of these are beautiful. And these are the ones that I got. Look at that one. Oh, that's pretty. So are those. That lilac one's pretty. I didn't pay enough attention to. Look at that one. That is so pretty. I got a pale one. I got this sort of pale pink. Nope, I didn't get that one. Is that the one that I got with the lilac in? It's a lot darker than the one I got. I think it's out of stock, the one that I got. The one that I got is out of stock. That one that's there. That one. But these are so pretty. Look at that one. That one's beautiful. Now for this one, there's 11 different colours on this. And look at these. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I think I should have got more. This is the one that I got. Look at that orange. Wow. I like the green. I like that one. That's a sort of blue version with that sort of coffee in it. Back in there. Oh, my sister's sending me a message. She's probably in looking at this website. I told her to go and have a look. But look at that. It's beautiful, that one. What one is that? This is number 108. 108. This one. I like that. I might get that next time. But anyway, have a look on their website. It doesn't cost you anything to have a look. I'll leave a link underneath the video. So please subscribe to the channel. There is a big subscribe button there. And if you click on it, there's just a few steps. It's completely free to subscribe to the channel. It helps get my channel seen if you've got more subscribers. If you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.